Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one is a Cirrus White. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. 18-inch multi-spoke wheels. A black MB text interior with a black ash matte wood trim. Panorama sunroof. Rear spoiler, CLA 250 4MATIC badging, clean set of all season and regular floor mats, 60/40 fold down rear seats. Alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, convenience package with auto dimming mirrors, garage door openers, media display, rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, dual climate controls, heated seats, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center. This CLA has 42,574 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.